Pregnancy is the most exciting and joyful period in any woman's life. Those 9 months, we must take extra care of ourselves because of the tiny little human being inside the womb. What you eat is what makes your baby healthy and strong, so you have to be extra cautious of what's going inside your stomach. There are some fruits that you might want to avoid. Let's see what are they. Banana. You might be in shock to see this comfortable fruit to be on the list. This is not said to be avoided by everyone, but people with diabetes should consume very little amount because of the sugar content in the fruit, which may trigger your sucrose level, which is a big no for the pregnant women. Pineapple. Pineapple should be completely avoided during your first trimester because eating pineapple can cause contractions in the uterus which may lead to miscarriage. Pineapple contains bromelain, which can break down proteins in the body, which leads to abnormal bleeding. Bromelain are present in the core and little in the flesh of the pineapple. The amount present in the flesh may or may not affect your pregnancy, so it's better to avoid during your first trimester. Grapes. Because of the pesticides sprayed on the grapes, people say it's not to be given for a pregnant woman. It depends on the toxic level you are exposed to. The toxicity are dangerous for the body development of the baby. Soak your grapes with salt water at least for 20 minutes to get rid of pesticides to an extent. Papaya. Papaya are delicious fruit which you may crave during your pregnancy. And the good news is you can eat ripe papaya which is not said to affect your pregnancy. But the problem is to avoid semi-ripe papaya or unripe papaya, which contain high lactose substance which can cause contractions in the uterus which may lead to bleeding. Frozen berries. Pregnant women should avoid frozen fruits or food which has been frozen for a very long time. Because it's frozen for an extended period of time, it may have lost its nutrients. Always prefer for a fresh fruits or veggies. Do not eat your fruits without washing. Always wash your fruits thoroughly. You can use any kind of brush to wash the outer surface of the fruits. Cut away any overripe part of the fruit because bacteria can thrive through that, which is harmful to you and your unborn child.